I lost my chess match, the final game. Let's talk about losing in this video. How you should react, how you should get yourself out of the feeling of losing in life. Let's discuss about it in this video. Today is the best moment of that day. Today I had my chess competition in my college and I won 3 rounds. I won 3 matches, and in the fourth match, in the final match, I lost. Now let's discuss what and how we should behave when we lose a match. What happens? See, I have told you in this one of the videos that Kamaru Usman is a UFC fighter. He had 19 win streak, 19 fights win streak, fighting UFC championship, 19 win streak, and 5 title defenses. He won the UFC title, I think welterweight title, and he defended it 5 times. And then he lost to Leon Edwards with a head kick. Leon Edwards gave a head kick to his face and he got completely off, like knocked out, and he lost the fight. Every human being, it's very normal to lose in life. It's completely normal. You know what? Today what happened in the match, I was panicking. My breath was very quick and my body was not completely in my control. Last year I won the chess championship in my college. That time I was this calm. Right now, how much calm I am right now in this video? This calm I was in the last year tournament, but this year tournament right now, today, I was not calm. Whenever my hands were like shivering, my hands were like this. I was moving my pawns, I was moving my my horse and my elephant, like I was moving like this. I was shivering. So my body was not in my control. And I don't know why, but it was what it was. And I could feel the pressure. I was panicking, my hands were shivering, and I was overthinking, and the body was not in my control. So it's completely all right. See, some days you win, some days you lose. This is life. This is how it goes. So if you fail, it's not just about losing a chess match. I hope you understand my point. I'm not trying to tell you that I lost a chess match. It's not about that. It's about how you should behave when you lose in life. What happens when you lose in life? You have to find the reasons. Once you know the reasons, that you were not calm enough, you were under the pressure, your body was not in your control. So now you know the reasons. Now when you know the reasons, you know that this one thing, that's completely all right. The things which are in your control, you can think about it, you can do something about it. But the things which are not in your control, you cannot do anything about it. But the body was not in my control, so it was not at all in my control. So it's completely fine to just not think about it. What happened happened. It's okay. You lost. That's why I'm making this video. So if you fail in an examination, or if you fail in any situation, or if you come under pressure in any situation and you don't give a very good presentation, or you don't give a very good debate or a speech, and it didn't well as you prepared, or it didn't went as you expected it to go, so it's just completely all right. It's all the same situation. It's completely all right. Just move on. Don't think about it. Next day, focus on what you actually do, what is actually your goals. Focus on that and just move on. Priorities must be set in life. The more priority, the topics which you're having in your mind, the topics which are having highest priority, just start doing that thing. First 15 to 20 minutes you won't be able to focus too much, but once the momentum will hit, it'll all be very good. You just need to start 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, it'll go on good, and the momentum will be built, and then everything will be perfect, just like the other days. I hope you got my point. So don't think about the loss too much. It's completely not in your hands. Some days you win, some days you lose, just like Usman also lost once. So he lost 3 fights now, I think. 3 fights in a row he lost. After having 19 win streak and 5 title defenses, he lost almost 3 matches, one by one. So it's completely all right. It's completely fine to lose. It's completely fine to have a defeat in your record. It's completely all right. Just do the hard work, Know your importance, know your value, know your potential, and give your best shot. Just get back to priorities. Get back to priorities. Fix your priorities in your mind and start doing the work. Again, the same thing. If you lose, you want to win, work hard. If you're not happy, work hard. If you want to become something in life, work hard. If you don't like the situation, work hard. If you want to get away from what you are in, the circle, work hard. If your family is not happy with you, work hard. Question to every single answer, work hard. So work hard and don't think about the loss too much. It'll pass away. People are worried about their own L, not about your L. So your L will be vanished. Don't think about what people will think when you will tell them that you lost. Nothing. They are worried about their own situation. They are not worried about your situation. Maybe 1 second or 2 seconds or 5 minutes or 10 minutes they will laugh or they will show some sympathy, but it's completely out of the topic. They just don't care. Nobody cares. So you should also not care about it. Just move on and do the hard work and have a great life, man. Have a great life. The thing for which you focus the most, there you will win. Not every day you will lose. You lost just because maybe some unconditional or the point, the stars didn't matched, and it happened. It's completely all right. It's completely normal. So keep working hard. See you in the next video. I hope you loved this video. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel. I hope you like this video, and keep working hard. Keep giving your entire attention and focus towards your goals. Keep working hard. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.